If a whale just swallowed you, this is exactly what you need to do in the next 60 seconds to survive. Hey Survivor, welcome back. I am Tuna, and you are not dreaming. This is real. Let's talk about how to survive being eaten alive by a 50-ton sea monster and live to tell the tale. Can a human actually survive being swallowed by a whale? Yes, rare, but real. In 2021, diver Michael Packard was literally swallowed by a humpback whale and survived after being spit out. He was inside for 30 to 40 seconds with just pure panic and a wild fishy ride. Whales aren't hunting us, it's accidental. But if it happens, you better know what to do. There are only a few whale species that can fit an adult human inside. Sperm whales, massive throat capable of swallowing giant squids. Yes, you fit. Humpbacks, huge mouths, usually swallows small fish, but a missed dive. Yeah, your lunch. Blue whales, technically no. Their throats are too small. Ironically, the biggest whale can swallow you. So size does not always matter. Good to know. Step-by-step survival strategy. Step 1. Don't panic. You're inside a pitch-black chamber filled with water, krill, and whale breath. Don't trash. Save your oxygen, your sanity. Whales don't chew. They gulp, hold, and spit. Step 2. Position yourself to breathe. Try to keep your head above water. Whales have massive oral cavity. Push up near the tongue or cheek pouch to avoid being dragged deeper. Humpbacks sometimes hold prey in their mouth without swallowing. Your survival window equals 30 to 90 seconds. Step 3. Trigger the spit reflex. Punch in the stomach won't help. You're not inside the belly yet, but you can irritate the whale enough to make it spit you out. Kick the soft palate, roof of mouth. Scratch or push toward the blowhole side. Nerve sensitive. Make noise. Even underwater sounds can trigger a reflex. Step 4. Protect yourself on ejection. Yes, if you get spit out, you are still in danger. 50 feet above water. No control, impact incoming. Cross arms over chest. Feet first into water. Exhale on impact, like cliff diving. Pray you don't land on your face, because no one wants their obituary to read. Survived whale, died from belly flop. Inside a whale's mouth is 38 degrees. Pressure is high, oxygen is low. Enzymes from stomach acid may reach you if you get pulled further down. You have got maybe 3 to 5 minutes before you pass out from lack of oxygen or digestion begins. Always dive with a partner. The whale may spit you out near the surface, but you will still need rescue. Wear a wetsuit. Helps with temperature and minor protection. Carry a whistle or small emergency air supply if diving frequently. Also maybe, don't swim near the krill swarms. That's a whale buffet territory. Whale swallowings are rare, but what it teaches us is powerful. Even when you are swallowed by darkness, stay calm, adapt, and look for a way out. If you survive this video, you'll survive anything. And if a whale ever swallows you, remember what you learned here. It just might save your life. Hit that sub button, and if you're stranded at sea after this, you'll definitely want to watch our How to Survive a Shark Attack video. Don't miss it. And don't forget, you are a survivor.